you're watching this pathway, this is probably the roughest and worst pathway in Calgary that I've encountered, and I've cycled a lot, as you can see there, especially on a road bike. There's a much better pathway on the other side of Deerfoot Trail and the Bow River, which is on my right side. So if you're watching this video, just stop and go to 17th Ave Cushing Bridge and go south from there, or the Ogden Road Bonnybook Bridge and go north. It's the same pathway. Feel like I should have brought my mountain bike on this ride. It's so bad. That's definitely the worst part. Gets bumpy again after we cross underneath Deerfoot up here. Hopefully my rims aren't all bent up from this short pathway. This is the canal that goes to Chestermere. So when we get to the end here, I'll just mention that.